if you want to enable or disable developer options on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, open up your settings. After that, we gotta scroll down to our About Phone tab. Open it up. Then we gotta find our software information. And here we gotta find our build number. When you located it, now we gotta tap on it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got this message. Hold on. We didn't get it yet. All right. So now we will get a pop-up message whether we want to allow developer settings or not. Let's press OK. Now we've got a message that our developer mode has been turned on. So how do you find it? Go back to your settings and scroll down to the very bottom, right below the About Phone tab. Open it up, and here are your developer options. So it contains many different options, which may be useful for you. So go through them, try something. You can see your memory expansion, basically anything. When you are done and you want to turn off your developer options, simply tap on the switch at the top and go back, and as you see, they have disappeared already. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.